Hi, thanks for picking up a take-home STEM kit from the Kansas Wetlands Education Center. For this, we're going to do our E for engineering. So for this one, you need your bag with the glitter balls and little wooden sticks. This activity is great for keeping your hands building and your imaginations exploring. Engineers use a lot of trial and error, and it can take a lot of different designs before they end on the final product. They use something called the engineering design process. Here's a simple one. So the first thing an engineer does is ask, what's the problem? So here's your challenge for today. You're going to build a freestanding Christmas tree that is at least 1 foot tall. Define constraints. So what's a constraint? A constraint is a limitation or something that might hold you back. Typically, when building a project, it might be money, supplies, or time. So your constraints today, so you are limited to 35 wooden sticks and 17 glitter balls. As far as time, you can spend as much time on this challenge as you need or as you want. Next, an engineer is going to imagine, brainstorm, and choose a solution. This is when engineers do their research. You've probably seen a Christmas tree before. Is it shape that makes it a Christmas tree? Does it have to be a triangle? Or would you consider a rectangle also a Christmas tree? Plan. Since engineers often have constraints like money and supplies, they typically make a plan before they start using their materials. They may draw a blueprint, or they may lay out materials in different patterns before they get started. Create. The craft sticks should push nicely into your glitter balls. Try out your designs. How tall can you get your tree before it falls down? What shape works best for your foundation? And improve. Remember, engineers are not always successful the first time. If your first design didn't make it a foot tall before it toppled over, try something to make it better. When you've engineered and you have your tree, take your tape measure or a ruler and measure how tall it is to meet the challenge of being freestanding and 1 foot tall, and then put your star on top of your tree. Take a picture of your tree and share it on our Wetlands Center Facebook page or at KWEC Pics on Instagram. Thanks.